Oh, it's heavy. So much heavier than my MacBook Air. Wow. What's it there? How exciting. Let's pop that there. And we get... Oh, this cable is so much nicer than the one that I have. The one that I have, like, it's prone to fraying, if that makes sense. Like look at the, can you see that? Okay. And that's always happened. Like, I've had about 2 or 3 different Apple computers, and that is always the case. So, very excited about this cable. This cable's like, I don't know if you can like really see, protected. I don't know how to say, but that's exciting. The little thing that we always get, and then this charger. Oh my god, why can I not? There we go. To be fair, the charger that I have will work for that, for this computer, so that's nice because I've got 2 essentially, and that's it. Let's pop this. So I got the MacBook Pro with the Pro Max, no, the M2 Pro chip is the one that I got, and I'm very, very, very excited. It does look like significantly bigger than the one that I have now. Like, I'll show you in comparison. This is my laptop now. I mean, I guess it's not that much bigger, but I am very, very excited about this. Let's see. I'm gonna try. Okay. You buy a new laptop only to have to install the latest software update.
Happy birthday, baby girl. It's your birthday.
Oh, it was her birthday yesterday.
It's your birthday. You still have a twin after your birthday, seriously.
Oh, day before yesterday. Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
seriously,
wow.
lucky you are.
She loves it.
Very.
Mommy, don't be upset if he doesn't play with it immediately because he's weird.
No, this is not yours.
He still hasn't discovered.
No, this is Kenny. Kenny, this is yours. Kenny, no.
Can I hold Luna? So
Kenny.
Yeah.
Ladybug, come to auntie. Shall I give? Who wants a carrot? Who wants a carrot? Me. That's a carrot. Kenny, cancel. Look at this one.
Do you like that? Good morning. It is 7:55 in the morning and I feel so good. I'm such a morning person and I feel really great when I like make the most out of my mornings, which I don't think I've been doing lately. But I woke up at 6. I didn't sleep great because I'm still ill and yeah, I don't know, I just struggled to kind of get comfortable. So I didn't sleep great, but I woke up at 6 and instead of just kind of laying in bed, I decided to get up, took Luna for a walk. We went to the park and, oh my God, my voice just cracked. So sorry. Had a lovely time at the park, came back, picked up some packages. I got Luna this like anti-anxiety toy which like moves, like, so it's charging right now. I'll show you when it's like finished charging. Ordered some food which is being delivered later today in a few hours. Had a shower, made a coffee. That is so good. And yeah, did some journaling and now I'm ready to start work. I also bought Mother's Day cards for my mum and for Gal. So this is the one that I got for mum. Very cute. This is another one that I got for mum, but from Milo. I just think that's so cute. And this is the one that I got for Gal from Kenzo. I think this is a cat, but like the ears remind me of Kenzo, which is why I got it. So yeah, so I'm gonna write these and then I'm going to dry my hair and then crack on with work. I have back-to-back meetings, oh, like now. So scratch that. Just do some meetings and then dry my hair and then just crack on with work. I have a bunch of interviews this morning, which is exciting, for some sales roles at the company, so that'll be good. I have made a promise to myself to move more and to make Luna move more. She's such an active dog. She has a load of energy and she just behaves better if she's been exercised properly, which I don't think I've been doing enough. I don't think I've been doing a good enough job of. So that's why I want to start our mornings with a longer walk and then do at least 2 of those a day and then like play with her downstairs, like throwing the ball and stuff, because she loves that. So holding myself accountable to that. Do you not love it? Oh my God. So this is the toy. I don't know if she loves it or she hates it. It's meant to help with like overactive like dogs and anxiety as well. It kind of does that and then it stops, and she was like playing with it and then it started doing that and I think she got a bit scared. You're okay? Here's the problem. I just got back from the theatre and it's been a very long day. It's been a very long week. I am still not 100%, but getting there. And I haven't slept properly in the last 2 days because I've had this cough. So I am tired, However, the theatre makes me really hyper. So I'm just like singing and dancing around my flat, and it's 11 and I just picked up Luna. She was with a couple who lives in my building. They were looking after her, and she's kind of like in this really, because she was asleep and then I came and picked her up. So she's in this like really like dozy mood, and I'm just like singing songs from musical theatre, and she's kind of like, Mum, chill out, it's time to go to bed. So yeah, it does take a while to unwind after the theatre, but Bake Off was really good. I didn't really have any expectations going into it, but I was very pleasantly surprised. So if you are in the United Kingdom and you are able to come down to London to see the Great British Bake Off in the West End, I highly recommend. I'm not gonna lie, we have spiraled a little bit and taken a turn for the worst. Somehow I have ended up making noodles. You know those noodles you get in like a sachet or like a pot, like the pot noodles that are, you know, full of MSG and like all other not good stuff for you. I've recently rediscovered them and they've become my obsession. So it's past 11. I should be unconscious right now. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea, but I'm very happy with my decision. I didn't even cook these as long as I should have. They're very like al dente, but I don't really think that's what you want in a noodle. But I am eating my noodles, having some water, cordial, and I'm watching this thing on YouTube which is called Hot Ones, First We Feast, and it's so good. Like, if you've never seen that show, go watch it. It is so good. It's basically like this guy who interviews like famous people while they eat hot wings, and it's just so entertaining. So I'm watching the one with Niall Horan. He used to be in One Direction, and it's really funny.
My life depends on trying to figure scribble I could let loose, dodging the dribble that they trying to throw my way. I think I figured that them figures out to get you. Let them pull the strings that trigger what you say.